Hey everyone, this is D here from Positive Equity Trades, and in this video I'll be showing you how to start trading. So the first thing is, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to start trading in the stock market, do your own due diligence with that. Talk to a financial advisor, because a lot of people can lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. So this is just a new friendly video. A lot of friends actually requested that I make one of these just because there's a lot of them that want to start investing, but they don't exactly know how to start. So hopefully this video will help you out with that. Now, if you already have an account and you already start trading, you want more advanced stuff, then you can just skip ahead to my other videos. There's going to be a lot of goodies there. But right now, this is very beginner friendly, and hopefully this will help you out. So the first thing I want to talk about is opening up a brokerage account. So what you pretty much want to do is go with a bank that lets you trade stocks. So for example, I was with Vancity for a very long time. So I'm still with Vancity, but what I had to do was actually go to TD, open up a checking account. The people out there are actually great. I actually like TD just because I hear a lot of good things about them. I know they're the first thing when I hear about stocks. It's like, oh, they trade on TD or TD Ameritrade. But then when I actually went there and opened up a checking account, it was actually really easy. So the people there are very knowledgeable. The best part is that they open on weekends as well. So if I need anything, I can still go to them, talk to them in person. But so far, I didn't need a thing just because I know how to invest myself. So what you want to do, open up a checking account and make a direct investing account. So you don't have to use TD if you don't want to. Some people use CIBC, some people use RBC, or some people use these sites like Questrade, Wealthsimple, Webull as well. I know Questrade, I believe the commission's even lower. You also get Wealthsimple as well. So this over here, I believe you do not get any commission, so trading fees to be exact. This over here, same thing. Now, a lot of people do like Webull just because, well, Webull is like well known, super well known. But the best part is that I believe when you sign up for, I think like $500 or something like that, you actually get 4 random stocks from the get-go. So pretty much what you can do is you get a little like lottery, little raffle at the start. So that's actually pretty cool. But there are no commissions on this, but don't quote me on that just because I don't actually have an account with Webull. Now, I'm not affiliated with Webull either, just because I rather use a bank that already trades for you, because when I see a stock that's about to pop, if I want to send money to Questrade or Webull, Wealthsimple, something like that, it would have to take a while. But what I want to do is be able to say, take money from my savings account, shove it right in there, and then instantly I can trade it. So that's why I choose TD, but it's really up to you what you want to choose. So right now, this is the brokerage part. So pretty much what you'll be looking at is pretty much, it will say, well, which one do you want to open? You want to open a cash account or a margin account? So pretty much what you want to do is go for cash first. If you're more advanced, then you can go margin. Margins, you give the ability to short and to use other people's money, so leverage. But if you're a beginner, use cash. I use cash, though I'm very advanced. I still don't use margin because I'd rather use margin on cryptocurrency instead, just because I can predict it a lot better than stocks. Now, as for trading fees, like I was talking about the trading fees, it really depends on which platform you use. I know Wealthsimple and Webull are free. Questrade is like $5, and TD, RBC, and I think CIBC is also $10 per trade. So as in, you buy whatever for $10, you sell. Pretty much that is, you're already at a negative $20. But who cares? Because if you had $1,000 and you make 10%, that is a good $100, and that does more than enough to cover your trading fee. So trading fees, honestly, you don't have to care. You really don't. But as for this over here, just pick cash account and you're good to go. Okay. So that being said, what's next is finding a charting website. All right. So why is it so important to actually learn how to read charts? Okay. So a lot of people that actually trade, they don't actually know how to read charts. They just read like a simple line chart, and then that's all they get. Okay, line charts, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just, if you want to be a pro, then what you want to do is look at candlestick charts and actually study them. There are different candle charts that actually tell you when it's actually going to pop, or when is it actually going to sell off. So the thing about finding a charting website too is that the most common thing to do is, when you hear good news about a company, you buy it. That's what the typical retail trader does. But out of my 7 years of experience, what I've learned the hard way as well is, a lot of people, what they do is they buy the rumor or buy the hype and sell the news. So pretty much, if you were to say, for example, like Bitcoin was at, like, I believe I don't know, it's like around like 12,000 back then, $12,000, and then it just like the word got out. Everyone's just saying, "Oh, hey, are you getting into Bitcoin? Oh, hey, you like, did you hear about Bitcoin?" And then you hear it on the news saying Bitcoin's gonna rocket and it's gonna moon. So many people were just hyped. Okay, that's actually when I got into crypto. When I got into crypto, oh, buddy, that was a long drop down because it went from that price straight down to 8,000, straight down to 4,000. So as I was learning how to trade, the Bitcoin market cap was actually going down, but I was able to learn a lot of valuable lessons that made me the trader who I am like right now. So pretty much, you don't want to buy the news; you want to sell the news. And finding a chart, this can actually give you a really, really huge advantage on getting in before the big pump. So three recommended sites that you can actually use. Three ones that I really like. So now this one over here. Okay, so Webull. I really like Webull. Their charts are very accurate. Lots of volume on this market. Now, I don't actually trade on Webull, like I said, but I do use their charts. Investing.com is another free one as well. That's also free, but the only thing is you get blasted with ads. Okay, the other one is Binance. Now, if you want to trade cryptocurrency, Binance is one of the biggest exchanges out there. So pretty much what you want to do, if you say you want some cryptocurrency, you go to Classic right here, and you get this chart. And then what you want to do is click Trading View, enlarge it, and then what you get is a chart. Okay, so as you can see right here, 15 minutes. It's actually real time as well, so it's slowly going up and down. That's what we want to do. Okay, so if you want to, get in and out or find a best entry, you want it this fast. The only bad part about this is yes, you get blasted by ads, and it's free. But what happens is that the real-time update is actually kind of laggy, probably 5 to 10 seconds maybe. And this wasn't too great for me. That's why I switched to Binance chart when I started trading crypto. But the other one, if you want to do stocks, which I'm mainly into stocks right now, is pretty much this one over here. No ads, but the best part is that it's all free for you. So you can also change the background if white's too much. You can actually have a dark one. Same thing with investing.com and Binance. Okay, so why bring up this if there's stocks in this crypto right here? It's because this over here, it's all free. You can do both, but you can also do currency as well, like US dollar to Canadian dollar. So this over here is how you do it. You go, here to trade, and you just pretty much, well, you want, let's see, new board, blank board, so now it's blank. Then you can go here, stock, chart, and then now you have a chart, drag it all the way out, and there you go. Now as for indicators, you can put as many as you want. So right here would be the indicators. You get the Bollinger Band, the VWAP, MACD, all that stuff right here, right? So I'll be teaching what this is on the other videos just because it's a lot of stuff. But pretty much you can do all this stuff for free, all right? And it's real time too. So right now the market's closed, that's why it's not moving, but it is in real time. This is for crypto. This is for stocks. This is for all three, Forex, crypto, and stocks. So pretty much I recommend these three to do. Just pretty much just get it how you like it, because some of them are white. You can actually change it to the background. You can change different colors on the indicators too, pretty much to make it easy for you. Just play around with all three of them, see which one you like the best. And the best part is that, well, I know this one you can't really split up the charts, but this one you can split up to a lot. This you can split up a lot too because it's a widget, so you can pretty much go like this and then another one. There you go. See, and you can have another one and another one and another one and another one. See, you can there's so many customizations. That's why I really like Webull. But as for trading on it, I don't trade on Webull, but I do, just follow the stuff. And plus there's an app too, which is great. But pretty much these are the things you want to be playing with. Okay, so let's do a little quick review before I end this video. So the first thing is that, well, trading, right? You want to start by opening up a brokerage account. You want to select cash. All right, don't care about the trading fees. 3 recommended sites for stock reading. Right, you want to find those. So this is pretty much it for the lesson right here. I'm going to be wrapping this up, and I'll see you in the next video.